Welcome back. Continuing the news. Days after the Auditor General reported insufficient oversight for the Jamaica Library Service, as well as poor governance issues, our news team has been made aware of at least one library where employees are struggling with their working conditions. TVJ's Anthony Lugg explains.
Help. Just one of the words on this grill outside the St. James Parish Library on Tuesday morning. The workers closed the doors and used these placards to show their frustration at the conditions they've been working under for the last week. When we visited the area, workers were tight-lipped. However, it was clear that not much work could be done because there was no electricity. It's understood that it's been this way since Saturday. Someone lit the garbage on the compound, which resulted in the damage to several wires. But electricity isn't the only thing they've been without. Water is also an issue. And so, water is trucked to the premises. On the inside, more concerns. Mold on the walls. And when it rains, it pours. These newspapers are used as covers. Security is also an issue. Workers are fearful, so much that in recent weeks, members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force have been providing assistance. It's understood that, among other things, workers have been threatened by students. The findings come days after a damning report from the Auditor General, which uncovered breaches under the Jamaica Library Services. The AG revealed that the Board of Directors failed to convene regular meetings to review the performance and set the strategic direction of JLS, which indicates a major deficiency in its governance processes. The AG added that the government of Jamaica provided $128 million in the 2019 to 2020 supplementary estimates for the upgrading of public libraries and to purchase books. However, JLS has not developed and implemented a structure plan for this upgrading program. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.